Hi, my name is Francisco Ardon. I expose about the laser diode. The laser diode in this product is similar to the LED, but under the right conditions, semiconductor device emits laser light. In laser diodes, to promote generation of stimulated emission and laser light, the semiconductor crystal of the diode might be in the form of the thin sheet, with a fully reflected side and another only partly reflected. Both highly reflect well. Use archiving a PN function with large perfectly parallel and reflects other phase. It is important to note that the dimension to the PN junction are closely relative to the wavelength emitted. For the accomplishment of this practice, the laser has a greater responsibility is to feed the photoresistant with the sturm divert the flow of current to the circuit that generates the musical notes. To the computer is the same way when the laser is interrupted to the obstacle denies passage of the current is interrupted and allowed the electronic signals emitted by the Bluetooth rope. Thank you.
Analog inputs. An analog input converts a voltage level into a digital value that can be stored and processed into a computer. Why would you want to measure voltage? There are a multitude of sensors available which converts things like temperatures, pressures, etc. into voltage. The voltage can then be easily measured by various kinds of hardware, such as LabJack U3HB, and then read into a computer. The computer can convert the voltage value into original types, temperature, pressure, or etc. And the value can then be stored in a file, emailed to someone, or used to control something else outside the computer.
Hi, my name is Christian, and I will talk about the buttons and switch. This project has 6 buttons which indicate a different tone for each string, in this case for each laser. Just has a switch that changes the electric and acoustic guitar. Each of the buttons and the switch is connected to the Arduino digital pins which are read by the application and thus play different sounds and change the class of the guitar. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Elvin Miguel. Arduino is an open hardware platform based on a microcontroller board and a development environment designed to facilitate the use of electronics in the three projects multidisciplinaries. Arduino is a single board microcontroller intended to make building interactive objects on environment more accessible. The hardware consists of an open source hardware board designed around an 8-bit Atmel AVRR microcontroller or a 32-bit Atmel. Introduced in 2005, the Arduino designer sought to provide an inexpensive and easy way for hobbies, students, and professionals to create the piece that interact with their environment using sensor and actuator. Common example for beginning hobbies include simple robots, thermostats, and motion detector. It comes with a simple integrated development environment that runs on regular personal computer and allows users to write programs for Arduino using C or C++. Thank you.
is William. I'm going to talk about idea of Arduino device. The idea of Arduino device is used to execute programs that works for a specific purpose. In this case, we will implement a program that we receive entries from the editor. The program's code contains instructions called setup and loop. In the instruction called setup, exist panes will be initialized, and the instruction called setup contains the produce of entries. Once the program is done, it will be saved in the memories, in the Arduino memories. Thanks.
Bluetooth is a technology for charging data over short distances from fixed and mobile devices and building a personally area networks. It can connect several devices, overcoming problems of synchronization. The Bluetooth arranged to charging data. Class 1 100 meters approximate. Class 2 1000 meters approximate, and class 3 1 meter approximate. This is for mobile devices and networks with Bluetooth. Thank you.
Aquí donde dice Arqui 1. ¿Escucha bien?
Qué extremo, ¿verdad?
Lo chistoso es que se van muy nuestras cosas.
¿Qué vamos a editar?
¿Cómo? Y si
Qué divertido. Ven a volver a tu casa.
¿Cómo ves?